What I love about this event is we have hundreds of participants from the business community, anyone from our millennials to our seasoned professionals that own multi-million-dollar firms, and it's really nice for everybody to get together to exchange ideas, business cards, and really build our business community. It's really exciting.
We're here today because it's a great opportunity to meet people, expose our business, find out about other people's businesses, and see how we can help them.
This is a great networking opportunity to understand and meet who are the businesses in the Western Pennsylvania area.
The amount of clients, potential clients that we've got to speak with, but more so being able to connect with the community has been something that I'm very excited about.
I've met so many business owners, not only employees of businesses, but great contacts, people I actually feel like I can do business with. So I'm very pleased to be here.
It brings our members together, it brings our partnerships together, and it's great for business in Southwestern Pennsylvania.